Good girl. I think she's checking if Tommy's coming close. Maddy, sit. Maddy, good, sit. Okay. Okay. Tommy is standing to the left of me, or sitting actually. Not making a move, but just watching. Maddy just looked up to see Tommy scratching and making noise. Checking out Tommy. It's okay, Maddy. Good girl. I think that's enough footage. Hi, Maddy. Maddy, sit. Maddy, sit. Sit. Good, sit. Okay. Not bad. Probably should sound a little bit more self-assured, huh? Like the Talk Whisperer program, which I really enjoyed. Alright, this is it. She's almost done with her food anyway. Good girl. Good Maddy.